like to tell you about this great book by Paul Daniels. It's not just a book, it's a complete course on how to become a better magician and how to market yourself to every possible venue. One of the things people are surprised at when they buy this book is the actual size. This is kind of a college textbook on how to think like a magician, how to be a magician, how to create a marketing campaign, how to find venues, how to convince people how to hire you. It truly is an entire 12-part course on how to become a professional magician, or even an amateur who can earn a part-time living with this magic. Just to show you how much stuff is covered, the table of contents alone runs for 6 pages. There really are a lot of ideas, and as they say, sometimes a single idea can change your life, and this is full of hundreds, maybe even thousands of great ideas. All you have to do is find what works for you and become a successful magician. But I also want to talk to you about the hardcover edition of this book. It costs a lot more than the softcover. It weighs about twice as much. The paper used to print it is glossy as opposed to the softcover edition. Like I said, weighs twice as much. You don't want to put this on your chest while reading it. What makes it a collectible edition, though, there's a facsimile signature by Paul Daniels, and it's a numbered edition of 50 copies. Only 50 of these hardcovers were made and numbered. In addition to the book, you also get inlaid a DVD, a 2-hour DVD of Paul Daniels giving a master class on marketing and magic. This is a $35 value on its own, but it's included free with the hardcover edition. I would recommend you buy both, one as a collectible that might appreciate in value, and this one, the soft cover, was designed so you could take notes in it, and you could dog-ear the pages, go back to it, throw it around, really use it because it's worth studying. The Paul Daniels How to Make Money by Magic, written by Paul Daniels and Andrew Locke. It's a complete course, and I highly recommend it.